The legend is back, and it's louder, meaner, and faster than ever. Dodge has just unveiled the highly anticipated 2026 Charger Daytona, and let me tell you, this is not just another muscle car. This is a revolution. A bold step into the future, while keeping the raw power and aggression that made the Charger an icon. Subscribe to the channel and like the video to help me achieve 1,000 subscribers milestone. So, whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan, a muscle car enthusiast, or just someone who loves speed and style, you need to see what Dodge has done with this beast. The automotive world has been buzzing with rumors, speculation, and wild theories about the next generation Charger. Is it all electric? Is it still packing a monstrous V8 under the hood? And most importantly, does it still have that unmistakable Charger DNA? Well, today, all those questions get answered. We're diving deep into the performance, design, technology, and everything else you need to know about the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. A legacy of power and performance. Before we get into the details of the 2026 model, let's take a step back and appreciate what the Charger nameplate means. For decades, the Dodge Charger has been the definition of raw American muscle. From its origins in the 1960s to its rebirth in the modern era, the Charger has always stood for power, attitude, and unrelenting performance. In recent years, Dodge made it clear that they weren't afraid to push boundaries. With Hellcat engines pushing over 700 horsepower, super stock editions designed for the drag strip, and the wild red-eye variants, the Charger lineup became the king of muscle sedans. But as the industry shifted towards electrification and stricter emissions regulations, the future of the Charger was uncertain. And now, Dodge has delivered an answer that's sure to shake up the muscle car world once again. The 2026 Charger Daytona isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Bold new design, a modern take on a classic icon. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Charger Daytona is its striking design. Dodge has managed to blend modern aerodynamics with classic muscle car aggression, creating a look that demands attention. The front end is sharper, meaner, and more sculpted than ever before. The iconic wide-body stance remains, giving the car that unmistakable presence on the road. One of the most exciting design features is the return of the R-Wing, a nod to the legendary 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. This aerodynamic feature isn't just for show, it enhances downforce and improves high-speed stability. The lighting elements have also received a major upgrade. The new LED signature lights give the Charger a futuristic look while maintaining its menacing attitude. The rear light bar stretches across the back, paying homage to the previous generation while embracing a sleek, modern aesthetic. And let's talk about the hood. Whether you opt for the high-performance gas-powered variant or the all-electric version, the 2026 Charger's hood is built for aggression. Air intakes, vents, and sculpted lines make it clear that this car means business. Powertrain options, the best of both worlds. Now, let's get to the part you've been waiting for, what's under the hood. This is where Dodge has made some groundbreaking changes. For years, the Charger has been synonymous with Hemi power, and while Dodge is moving towards electrification, they haven't abandoned the muscle car spirit. The 2026 Charger Daytona will offer both internal combustion engine, ICE and electric vehicle, EV options, giving buyers the best of both worlds. Option 1. The Hurricane Twin-Turbo Inline-6. For those who aren't ready to go fully electric, Dodge is offering a high-performance Hurricane 3.0L Twin-Turbo Inline-6 engine. This power plant is designed to replace the legendary Hemi V8 while delivering even more power and efficiency. With power outputs rumored to reach over 500 horsepower, this engine will prove that turbocharged technology can still deliver serious muscle car thrills. And don't worry, it still sounds aggressive, thanks to Dodge's engineering expertise in performance exhaust tuning. Option 2, the all-electric Banshee powertrain, and now for the biggest leap forward, the Banshee electric powertrain. Dodge is not just dipping its toes into the EV world, they're diving in headfirst with a muscle car that defies expectations. The Banshee system is expected to produce over 800 horsepower, making it the most powerful Charger ever built. Thanks to its advanced 800-volt architecture, this EV will offer blistering acceleration, lightning-fast charging capabilities, and instant torque that will put even the Hellcat to shame. Dodge promises that the Banshee-powered Charger Daytona will outrun a Hellcat in a straight line, proving that electric performance isn't just about efficiency, it's about domination. Sound and emotion. The Fratsonic chambered exhaust. One of the biggest concerns muscle car fans have about EVs is the lack of sound. The roar of a V8 engine is part of the experience, and Dodge understands that. That's why they've introduced the Fratsonic chambered exhaust, an industry-first system designed to give the electric Charger a proper muscle car sound. This isn't some artificial speaker-generated noise. The Fratsonic system uses real air pulses to create a deep, aggressive growl that mimics the raw energy of a combustion engine. It's loud, it's mean, and it's unmistakably Dodge. Interior: a driver-focused cockpit with high-tech features. Stepping inside the 2026 Charger Daytona, you'll find a cabin that's designed for performance and comfort. Dodge has completely revamped the interior, combining modern technology with classic muscle car elements. The driver-centric cockpit features a massive digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen, and a redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel for better grip and control. One of the most exciting new features is PowerShot, a boost mode that delivers extra power at the push of a button. Whether you're launching off the line or overtaking on the highway, PowerShot gives you an instant adrenaline rush. Performance and handling: built for speed and control, the 2026 Charger Daytona isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also built for precision handling. The new suspension system, improved weight distribution, and aerodynamic enhancements make this Charger the most agile version yet. Dodge has also introduced advanced driving modes, allowing you to switch between track mode, drag mode, street mode, and eco mode to tailor your driving experience. Whether you want maximum power or optimal efficiency, the 2026 Charger adapts to your needs. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona is more than just a car, it's a statement. A declaration that muscle cars are not going anywhere, even as the industry evolves. Dodge has managed to preserve the soul of the Charger while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and jaw-dropping performance. For those who crave raw, unfiltered power, the Hurricane twin-turbo engine delivers an incredible driving experience. And for those ready to take the leap into the electric era, the Banshee Powertrain proves that EVs can be just as thrilling, if not more so, than their gas-powered predecessors. So, what do you think? Is this the future of muscle cars you were hoping for? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the hottest cars hitting the streets. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona, not just the next generation, but a whole new era of performance. The muscle car revolution starts now.